What's going on, guys? King Snake 1 here. Thought I'd make a video showing y'all a new item I had picked up. Come on over here to the table. Okay, guys, what I got is a retired Leatherman Juice. This is the KF4 model. Pretty badass. There's a tape measure on the outside. Has a serrated blade. Has a awl. Has a saw. Has a file, and with a diamond coated side. Here's your blade. Let's take a look at the inside. Got a nice plier head on it. Phillips head. And then on this side it has like 3 different sizes of flat heads in there. Real nice multi-tool, and this is like one of the hardest juice models to find. It has this yellowish goldish one, and then they do have a gray colored model. I know a lot of people carry that Juice S2. I've got that model too, and I rotate that in and out of my everyday carry. Right now I'm still carrying my Gerber MP600, and as always my Swiss Army Super Tinker. Yeah, this MP600. I had been carrying my my Leatherman Wave, but I started carrying this because of the black oxide color. The machines I run at work are stainless steel, so the Wave I had kind of blended in. I already had this, so if I leave it in the machine, I can see it real quick. But it has a retractable head, replaceable cutters. The only thing I wish it did have was a real big flat head. The one on here is rather small. Some of my other multi-tools I've used has a whole lot wider head, but all in all, this does the trick. And it has a serrated blade, emergency blade, whatever you want to call it. I use that a lot cutting straps. That's real nice. Alright, guys, I'm rambling. I'm gonna let y'all guys go. I'll talk to y'all later. Take care.